Do the motions.
She should have got over there.
Yeah. More.
What?
I said more.
Rachel!
What?
Take the picture of my camera.
Okay, go over here next.
I'm going over there next. Thanks, that was my toe. You can get up.
I can't get up.
I can't get up. Well, at least you didn't get pushed. Mom pushed me in January.
Well, you wanted me to push you.
I don't remember that.
Can you come unlock the door?
I'm gonna take a picture of your